And those are all wood frame houses.
Oh, sure. Yeah, there's a lot of duplexes around that area.
Yeah.
And so I think we did good on that one.
Yeah.
Making it really cute went a long ways.
Went a long ways. It does. When people walk in and they see that it's all done, that it's been it's fresh, it's new. They're not moving into somebody else's dirt.
Right.
Makes a huge difference, I think.
It does.
So,
I want y'all really tell them real quick who you are and what are you doing, how you adding value. We'll start with you.
oh, really? Hey, I'm Julia Erasmus with Keller Williams Realty. And I guess my added value is my clients, I take really good care of them.
Yes, she does.
Great communication. I know it's, especially when you're buying, it's the biggest investment you make in your life.
That's right.
It's a huge decision. And my goal is to make sure that if you're buying a home, and especially if you're a first-time home buyer, that you understand everything, that you're comfortable with it, and that you get the right home.
Yeah, exactly. And Mr. Moselle Axum, this guy here is going to be closing me out on a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. So if you have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath under 1,000 square feet, please give him a call. How can they contact you?
You can contact them via cell phone, area code 863-944-4704. And just to reiterate, yes, my name is Moselle Axum. I'm a realtor at Keller Williams, working with the Florida Real Estate Sellers team.
All right. Thank you very much.
And sorry, to answer your question about how we can add value, it goes off our motto, which is we have the desire to serve and the ability to produce.
Hey, I like it. And with no other, this guy here has been helping me. He was instrumental in the 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and we did a full renovation in Arbondale. I was over in Dubai on vacation. He took care of everything. So we're going to put him on this house as well. Talk to him, Shane.
My name is Shane Ledgeworth with Superior Property Management out of Lakeland. We manage several properties in Polk County. We can help you in any way. We have over 30 years experience. Vendors who take care of us, who've been supporting us for a long time. And I'll tell you, Gregory does nice homes.
How can they reach you, Shane?
Cell phone 863-860-3964 or Superior Properties at 863-853-2770.
All right, and back to the main lady.
Julia Erasmus, Keller Williams. You can reach me at 863-528-9610, or you can visit my website at sellingpolk.com.
All right, thank you. I appreciate all of y'all for being here and adding value to Radford Homes in this wonderful house, this 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,665 square feet under AC, approximately 1985 under roof. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Acquisition this home in 2013 as a retirement gift, and it's been a cash flowing, producing income property. But better yet, that supersedes that is housing a beautiful family. And hopefully you can be the next family that move into this beautiful home. Thank you.